Hey guys, what's up? In this video I'll be teaching you 5 easy VLS cases. Let's go. So this first one is very easy. You have this P over here and also this bar. This edge is misoriented as well. So you do M prime, a reverse sexy move with Y dart prime at the end. So that fast is like this. This next case looks pretty much exactly the same. You've got the P and the misoriented edge, but there is no bar here. So what you do from here is you do an F2 to split up the pair, and then a Y dart U Y dart prime, and then you sort of replace this F12 block, which then gives you a free pair leading into an OLL skip. So that fast would look like this. So next case is this one where you have the pair here, and you've got this W up here, and you've also got this block. So it's the reverse of the very first dialogue I showed you. So it's like this. And that fast would look like this. So here we have the same case, the W and this pair here, but this time we don't have a block. So what you do in this case is a U2 and Y prime, and you do R2 F prime, and then you move this block sort of like this, and then restore everything with F2 R2. So that fast would look like this. And last but not least, we have this case where we have the pair and this sort of triangle shape, and there's only one type of this case, and hold the pair over here and do F prime U prime F, and that will set you up for this easy winter variation. It's also just a cancellation into soon, and that will skip OLL. That fast looks like this. So that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed, hope you learned something new. If you did, make sure to subscribe, like and comment, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!